Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mahfuzur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we will discuss a very interesting topic from chapter 4. It's concept of web page and web design. So welcome you all again to my presentation. So in this presentation what you will learn, please watch it carefully. What is World Wide Web or WWW? What is hypertext and hyperlink? What is website? What is a web page? So these are the things what you will learn by the end of this presentation. So I'm going to start my presentation from what is a WWW or World Wide Web. So in this World Wide Web, what we have? World Wide Web is a powerful tool for communicating ideas, facts, opinions and throughout the world and options. So these what we wanna call World Wide Web. World Wide Web is an open source information space where documents and other web resources are identified by URL, interlinked by hypertext link and can be accessed via the internet. Basically we all know about it. In today's we use internet to browse so many hypertext links. Basically the World Wide Web's factor website what we're gonna call locally and globally. So it is simply known as web. The World Wide Web was central to development of information age, is the primary tool for billion of people to interact over the internet. The World Wide Web provides single interface for accessing the protocols. How many protocols is this World Wide Web have or World Wide Web use to view what we're going to use our today's website to view a lot of exciting websites and information what you have, like email. It's simple, a mail transport protocol. Basically we are making our mail today. Every day we getting mail from office and we making feedback. So we use already this email. So this email basically use simple mail transport protocol. Basically it's called SMPT. After that we have FTP, file transfer protocol. We know all that file FTP because in our house we use internet connection. In this internet connection they provide us an FTP code number basically and server address they provide us to download movies, games and so many softwares we can download from their servers. We call it FTP server by locally. So this FTP, this basically it's file transfer protocol. After that we have Usenet, network news transfer protocol, and after that we have HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. This protocol is basically used by website to transfer their text and links and data from server to your client PC. After that we have VoIP, basically voice over internet protocol. So these are the protocols what we have in World Wide Web, provides to single interface for accessing a world of huge information what we have. So after that we have hypertext and hyperlink. Basically we have to know that basically we are in the dive of World Wide Web and we're using internet and website in our regular life. So it's a basic thing we're going to know hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext is a document containing words that connect to other document rather than remaining static like traditional text. Hypertext makes a possible dynamic organization of information through links and connections. Hyperlink is a reference to data that the reader can directly follow by clicking or by hovering. Basically the information what we see, what we click in the internet, basically it's hypertext. We see it's like in text, but in internet what we use or what we see in a website, it's all time it's an hypertext. And what are the links we use like in dynamic organization for information? These all are we called hyperlink. So after that we have what is a website. A website is a set of related web page typically served from a single web domain. A single web domain means what? Like we're using basically a social site like Facebook. So when we use Facebook, it's a single domain. We use Facebook server right now.
So this thing we're going to call the single web domain. Website is a collection of web page, image, videos or other digital assets that is hosted on one or more web servers, usually accessible via the internet. Obviously we know that basically in today's we use Facebook, Google for searching lot of information. Can you imagine you can search all those information without internet? Obviously it's no, you can't even access those things without internet connection at your mobile phones, laptops or any other devices. So this is the main definition. So the pages of a website can usually be accessed from a common root URL. Basically we know that www.facebook.com, this is the URL what we have for using a Facebook, and we have www.google.com, this is another sample URL for using a search engine like Google. The URLs of on the page organize them into hierarchy, although hyperlinks between them to control how the readers perceives overall the structure and how the traffic follows between the different parts of the site. Basically how we're going to use link and several links, basically it depends on the hyperlink between them. If those pages are connected together in a hyperlinked way, so you can use multiple pages in a single website. I hope you already understand what is a website and what are these and that. Now I'm going to tell you what is a web page. It's in a single thing of an whole website. Like in a Facebook page, I can give you an example. You have a home page, then you have a profile page. So these all are the pages what a Facebook domain have. So these are called the web page, a single page. A web page is a resource of information that is suitable for the World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser. This information is usually in an HTML or XHTML format. These tools are the format. In intermediate we have HTML form to learn and may provide navigation to other web pages via all time. What we have hypertext link. These are the main crucial thing what links together to online to a page text. Web pages may be retrieved from a local computer or from a remote web server. This web server restrict access only to a private network like corporate internet, or it may publish on the World Wide Web. Basically the web page, it have the two phase of part, like it can be private or it can be public. Basically when it's gonna be published through World Wide Web, basically anyone can view. It's or it must have to be published in World Wide Web so that anyone can be used. So either it can be private network also, that basically those who I'm giving the link, they can access this page or search this page. So web pages are requested and served from web servers using hypertext transfer protocol, what I mentioned earlier. Web pages may consist of files of static text stored within the web server's file system, like static web page, or the web server may construct to XHTML for each web pages when it is requested by a browser, like dynamic web pages. Client-side scripting can make web pages more responsive to the user input once in the client browser. So this is the thing what we have in a single web page basic. So these are some web pages. Basically introduction to a web page design. Basically I'm going to show you like some web pages to understand more what are the web pages called or website called, or what are the some search engines what we have to learn. So I'm taking you to the further level of my presentation. I'm just taking you to a browser to see our college website www.milestonecollege.com and a very popular renowned search engine www.google.com. Let's have a look what we have. Okay, so my today page what we see, this one, it's called web pages or websites a home page. Basically this one, it's a complete website we see right now, and what are the page we are right now connecting? It's a home page. So after that we're gonna, this page you see academic, admission, results, facilities, co-curriculum activities, school, contacts. These all are things are interrelated. These all things are interrelated. That means it's called hyperlinked. You see how? Just click academic summary, then you will see the academic result and academic summary. What we have in this page, like class routine, exam routine, magazine, admission, leaflet. So this is the leaflet of 2020. What we have in this page, our admission process is going on for 2021, and these are the results what you have in SSC, HSC. You see, you can see the update of a web page and websites, any information from any time. You can download necessary options, or you can upload photos of update. A lot more advantage a website, or what we have in regular life. We can download, we can upload a lot more information. We can access so many things. Like I'm gonna show you like an important thing, what will the important link we give you, like in Education Board Bangladesh. This is the result where you can find out your result from in Education Board Bangladesh, and you can if you want to download your book, basically your board book, if you want to download, then you can go to this nctv.gov.bd. this is the web page what you have, you can download. So you see we have lot of information and we have lot of facilities, so that you can, you see I'm going to an hyperlink sub menu. This one is a hyperlink in 2021's years all board book. You see the list, class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. These all are the version. If I click this link, you're gonna see the this page will show you the all, you see. So you can download our ICT book from this link. You see this one, all the books are here hyperlinked. If you click this, you're gonna see our ICT books soft copy here. You're gonna download. It takes time because maybe the internet connection is not performing very well. So you see our board books soft copy. So this one is a very important benefit what we have by using website. You can download any necessary information like your books, like anything you want to download, you can go for. So if you want to download anything, I mentioned here anything, then obviously you have to go for a search. So that you can use this www.google.com. If you want to learn anything, if you just type your information, this search engine, you will find all those information.
I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing. Please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.